Hello, in this video I want to show you 5 useful Google Assistant commands on the Samsung Galaxy A25. And the first one is on how to count calories in your food. You can ask Google for that. Hey Google, count calories in a burger. It will also speak out loudly this translation, but you need to have volume up on your phone. I mean, not translation, it's actually calories count. Moving on to the next one, it will be on how to translate. So you can translate anything from one language to another that is available in Google Translator. And also your phone will speak out loudly these translations. And it is very useful when you're traveling. Hey Google, translate to Polish, I ate the burger. Okay, next one will be on how to make calls. Hey Google, call my mom. And replace mom with somebody else from your contact list. Then next one will be on how to send messages, and you can also say what should be included in that message. Hey Google, send message to my mom, I ate the burger. And replace mom with somebody else. Then last one will be on how to find your phone if you lost it somewhere in your room or in your house and you have no idea where it is. If you have volume up on your phone, you can ask Google with the phrase "where are you?" or to play any song. That way your phone will start making sound and it should be easy to find. Hey Google, where are you?
Bet you can't find me.
And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.